Good evening. Shall we start, sir? Shall we start, Priyadarshini?
Sir.
Good evening. Welcome for this live session. And of course, for the physical class students who have started on January 5th, it was with full energy, as I was telling you. So, the meeting you physically and talking to you physically has given more energy, of course, on the day. But like power cut, top that one class, thereafter the government has announced a lockdown, and we have also asked a clarity: the private coaching centers cannot operate. So, yeah, till January 20th, we expect the lockdown, and thereafter also some small lockdown for about full lockdown might come for about 1 week. Okay, we were actually discussing, Astaf sir, myself, Priyadarshini ma'am, and Shivkumar sir. We are totally discussing about, let us start once a physical class starts like that, we were discussing. But suppose if the government says we can reopen on February 1st or February 10th, like that. So, suppose if there is an issue like that, then in when we start late, we cannot complete the portion. Last minute, it will lead to rushing up of portions, so which we do not want to do. Always in Bharadwaj, we ensure that the syllabus is completed at least 20 days or 30 days before the exam. So, because only then you will have time for revisions and other things. So, for the physical class students, first let me to address. Let me to share the screen and address for about 2-3 minutes. Then let me to come for general discussions. Okay. So for the physical class students, this is going to be the plan that is given. So till January 20th, already some classes are shared with you for financial accounts and costing, for company accounts, OPM, CFM, like that. So what I request is please complete as per the schedule. That is, before January 20th, you should have completed till 7th class in financial accounts. That is shared in Google Drive, or you'd have got pen drive already or full access already. Cost accounting class number 1 to 6, you should complete accessing that. OPM and CFM students, please go according to that particular schedule, and company accounts also. So please do this. Suppose if the law, we will have a live meeting for all. We will have a live meeting on January 21st, 22nd, like that. I will give a detailed thing where we will interact with you live and discuss all your doubts. All your doubts will be discussed. How to learn? Please learn in the order in which the classes are shared. Class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. Since it is recorded and given, there is a flexibility for learning. At your convenient time, you can learn. So during this lockdown period, you will have lesser outside work. So you will have better time to learn also. So January 21st, 22nd, yes, I will post which subject, which schedule, like that. It will be in the mornings or it will be in the evening, like this. So working students, college students will not have a trouble, will not have a trouble. So please learn according to the schedule. Okay, then suppose the lockdown is extending for further 1 week, like till January 26th, complete up to class number 11, class number 10 for cost accounting, the same way for group 2 also. With respect to law, direct tax and indirect tax, 6 months before whatever happens is applicable for June exam. So the recorded lectures, or we are updating materials also. We are also, like a student, we are also, frankly to tell you, like a student, we should also learn, update, then deliver the lecture, kind of a thing. Now the recording for direct tax and law is going on. Already one class is shared with law, two classes for direct tax is shared. Indirect tax, yes, for group 2, it will begin from 16th January onwards. So as and when the classes are updated, I will also update the same in the WhatsApp group. Please learn and complete on time. That matters a lot. Then, coming to the general audience at large, the students joined from September or October or November, please go according to the schedule, so that, sir, February till February only you have given these schedules. If you look at in financial accounts, totally around 55 classes, estimated around 55 classes will be there. Cost accounting around 45 to 50 classes will be there. Law also, direct tax also. Okay, around 45 to, you can plan like 50 classes will be there. So if you look at by March, there is February end, 30 class or 27 class, or if you look at group 2, it's like 50% of the syllabus would have been completed by February end. Okay, so then April and March, March and April, remaining 50% can be easily done. Only thing that we expect is please learn and complete as per the schedule. Sir, what about live session? Yes, live session is common for all till the lockdown ends. Once the lockdown ends, we will have a separate live session for recorded class students and pen drive students and of course Google Drive students like that. But please go according to the schedule. For example, on January 21st or 22nd, who and all will participate in live session? All the students, let it be online class students or Google Drive class students, pen drive class students or physical class students will complete learning these lessons and will come for live for discussion kind of a thing. Okay, how to learn? Simple. You learn from the classroom material. You also take ICMI material. Those who have not done registration, those who have not got the physical copy, hard copy of material, please download PDF from ICMAI. You can learn from that and come for live session for doubts. The same way, on January 27, 28, like that, we will have a live session for the next set where we will be clarifying the doubts. Where we will be clarifying the doubts based on all the sessions so far. Like on January 26th or 27th, we will have a live session for all these scheduled sessions kind of a thing. So please complete learning and come. With respect to law and direct taxes, weekly 2-3 classes will get added on every Friday. Please ensure that you download and learn on time. Okay, we have gone slow. We have gone with a simple English so that everyone understands kind of a thing. If at all there is a doubt, yes, simple. Have a proper notebook. That's what I insist in the class. Please have a proper notebook. Please have a perfect learning atmosphere. Please take up proper notes and learn. Whenever there is a doubt in solving the problem, sir, I solved the problem number 5 in financial accounts. I have a doubt in that. Okay, please mark the doubt in a bits of paper on the same notebook. Please mark the doubt. Go to the next problem. If the doubts are there, it is my job to clarify, our team's job to clarify. Then the same way you are going through ICMI material. Okay, then you are having a doubt. You are having a doubt. Please mark the doubt page number. Once we come to the live session, I will allow you to do the screen sharing, or the team will allow you to do the screen sharing, and we will clarify the doubts kind of a thing. So learning from Bharadwaj videos and material. Second is learning from ICMA material are like 2 eyes of learning. Then the test process will start once we complete live sessions. Yes, how the test will take place, how we are going to conduct the test, etc. It is going to be in the latest pattern. It is going to be as per the latest pattern applicable for your June exam. So that test announcements, when, which schedule, etc. and all, we'll schedule it and give it to you on January 21, 22 like that. Now, many students were asking, sir, material for law and direct tax. As of now, the material will be shared. For law, I will be adding up today. I mean, I hope already the first law is added. For direct tax also, class wise, I will add the material. The material will be ready in another 10 or 15 days of time. Once the consolidated material is ready, we will print and send the hard copies. Of course, for physical class students, you can come and collect in the office. That we will inform in the group. Till the time, to avoid delay in learning, we are sharing in PDF form. Yes, for all the students, definitely a printed copy will be given for all the subjects. If you have collected that already, well and good. If you have not collected, you will get it for sure for law, direct tax and indirect tax kind of a thing. Okay, so please ensure that you are learning on time. And one of the most important information that we got is last year, since exam was cancelled, postponed and delayed up to December, this time ICMI will not do the same. Okay, because students were, our members, our teaching faculties were telling students are made to wait for a long time. So this time exam will happen as per the schedule. Exam will happen as per the schedule. You can go ahead with that. Okay, please prepare on time. Don't postpone. Since my video is there, I will prepare last minute like that. Please don't have the attitude. Video will be there. I mean, you can actually, for access, I told you, these lectures you can access up to July. On a conservative basis, in accounting also we follow, in class also we follow. Suppose if the exam is postponed to July, then you should access the videos. So the access is given up to July end. You can access the classes, recordings, etc. and all up to July end. So the videos will be with you, but there is no use of video, okay, alone. There is no videos of video alone when you don't prepare. In the exam, knowledge should be carried and video cannot be carried. So please learn on time. I've already given a time plan. Okay, for those who are doing both the groups, please spend minimum daily 4 hours in learning. Sir, in which order I have to learn? Simple. If you want to learn class number 1 to 7 in financial accounts, finish off, then go to costing like that, then go to law like that. Or what you can do is, suppose if your mindset, some students will say, sir, accounts 1 hour, then cost accounting 1 hour, law, direct tax like that. Can I change and learn? Yes, it is up to you. 1 hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour like that. Each 1 hour you can learn the subject. But ensure that that 4 hours of effectiveness is being put in. That is most important. Okay, then coming to the other things, I request Astav sir to give a guidance with respect to, with respect to financial accounts and company accounts. The learning attitude that you require is have a paper, pen, calculator, and try to work out, try to solve the problem on your own. Don't see the solution just like watching a video or a web series. Please try to work out on your own. That matters a lot. Company accounts or financial accounts for that matter. Direct tax, you must learn. I've instructed in the video first lecture itself. You must learn, you must revise periodically so that the provisions will go to your mind. First two classes are basic, so it's very simple. First two classes are very fundamental and basic. Okay, third class onwards, yes, you have to keep revising, you have to keep preparing. That matters a lot. Now, I request Astav sir to give his suggestions, opinions, and of course, guidance with respect to preparation process and learning process. Astav sir, please.
Thank you, sir. So very good evening, friends. So happy to meet you all virtually. So now PCs are already given a steady plan for the next 2 months. That is up to March. Sir is given how you have to plan each subject. So I am going to cover you Group 1 cost accounting, in Group 2 operational management and cost and financial management. So as you know, we are coming up live with 21st and 22nd onwards. So I would like to tell everyone, students who joined now in the physical classes or students who are in the online from September onwards, see, the live session is conducting for all for your doubt session and additional clarification purpose. So what I have to tell you that, see, the class lectures are given you very well. Please download it. It is already shared in the group, or PC sir will share you this timetable in the group. Accordingly, the classes. As I said, you can watch either financial accounting fully, or you can go for costing, or you can watch few classes of costing, few classes of accounts. Like that, you can plan. So what I want, if you watch classes regularly, attend the periodic doubt session, and after the doubt session we will conduct tests also. So if you go through that process, definitely success is guaranteed. So my request to all of you that we all, myself, PC sir, Priyadarshini, everyone are ready to help you always. So what you have to do, you have to watch it. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Sir, suppose if you, unfortunately, if you are not able to attend any live session, uh, plan accordingly and attend all the live sessions. Suppose if anything extraordinary is there, you can ask your doubt in WhatsApp also, we will help you. But better it is attend live session only. Because if you attend live session, we will be equipped with full mind for dedicated for clarifying your doubt. We will have the system and we will have the textbook, so that clarity will be given you very well. So as you know, then it will be helpful for you to clarify your doubt also. See, cost accounting, as PC sir already said, around 45 videos are there. So we will be completing by April end. So after that, we will have revision sessions also, how to approach. Similarly, this operational management and strategic management. First, we will go with operational management. So once the syllabus is completed, as you know, 70 mark is for operational management, 30 mark is for strategic management. So once the operational management is over, we will start with strategic management. So it will start in the mid of March or beginning of March month. Costing and FM. See, In your group 2, you have a paper called the CFM. The CFM means Cost and Management Accounting and Financial Management. Their costing is for 50 mark and financial management is 50 mark. Very interesting paper that will also very good weightage for your final level also. So definitely hope to meet you all in the live session. So we will be very happy to meet you all in the live session with all your doubt. So wish you all the best. So thank you, PC sir. Thank you for the opportunity. Today I'm having some throat pain, so I cannot talk much. So wish you all the best. We will meet in the live session, my dears. Thank you all. After the session, you can come up with your doubt also. We all faculties will be available. Thank you.
Yeah, now everyone is in mute mode, so you can interact at the end. So after we complete, you can interact at the end. Now I request Priyadarshini ma'am to give her input on law. She has already given input in the first class as to how to prepare for law. Then we can, I request Priyadarshini ma'am to give inputs about preparation for law for a few minutes.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. So good evening, everyone. I am Priyadashni. So I will be taking law classes for you. This law subject consists of 100 marks, as you all know, and it is a 3-hour paper. As of other subjects, which is of theory as well as practical, both will be merged in other subject. But for law, mostly there would be 90% it is only theory based paper. So I suggest you while seeing the paper, while seeing the recorded session, not only you should just see the video recorded session like a video. I request you to absorb or grasp the concept what I say in the first video, and then you should also practice writing what all the concepts are covered in each and every chapter. Okay, now I have first I'll be taking the first commercial laws, where I would be explaining the concepts where you will apply in day-to-day life, etc. like that. So for that, you should also, if you study one law, study one section like how it is, you should also practice how you should write in exam. Okay, so my advice would be, as of now, because at the starting in we are in January, so now itself you should start preparing to see the video, learn the concepts, and also learn how to write it in your. You should give a writing practice so that you will get how fast you can write, how what all words you can put in, etc. So this is what my suggestion would be for this class. And also we will meet in a live session so that you can throw out your doubts, whatever you have regarding how to present your paper, or if you have any doubts regarding the concepts, I would be happy to explain it to you like how many times till you understand it. Okay, so all the best. Have a separate timing, like either in morning or in evening. Have 2 hours to 3 hours of listening the recorded sessions, and have a 1 hour each day like to prepare for that concepts what you all learned. Yeah, thank you. That's it from my side, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Priyadarshini. Yeah, Shivakumar sir will give his opinion once the class starts. Okay, now coming back, there are 2 or 3 things. Okay, the additional sessions, when it will get added, it will get added. It will get added by today or tomorrow, because we were recording new sessions also in between. Because sometimes the pattern changes, so you have to change accordingly your delivery style. So we are also recording certain new lectures, or we have made alterations in the lectures which are to be recorded, because though financial accounts, cost accounts, OPM, CFM are like static papers, but the question paper pattern keeps changing, or the kind of pattern is keeping on changing. So we are also making alterations in the lectures. No, already whatever is shared in the drive, there is no alteration. You can carry on with that. The new lectures that are going to be added from, that is tonight or tomorrow, yeah, it will be added. Whatever is required for this particular thing, it will be added like weekly 2 or 3 classes. Okay, please download and learn. When additions will take place? Yes, tomorrow morning addition to the classes will take place. So already some classes are added in drive. For financial accounts costing, already we learnt and completed. And for OPM, SFM, CFM, already we completed. Company accounts already we completed. when you will be adding the new classes in the drive. For those who purchased the Google Drive and of course online sessions, we will be adding those additional classes tomorrow. 3-4 classes in each subject will get added, so that those who have already completed these lessons can keep preparing without waiting for the next one. But law, direct tax, yes, it requires time to understand, learn, record, and of course give an error-free lecture. It takes time, but be rest assured that the syllabus at any cost will be completed by 10th of May for sure. Okay, so this is the input that we wanted to give. But generally, I would like to discuss with you certain other things also. My friends, there is a huge employment opportunity that is available even for intermediate qualified students. Okay, we are asked by various companies, because after June 2021 there was no examination. Even Tamil Nadu Electricity Board, okay, was asking and seeking. I hope 12 of our intercompleted students are working there. Okay, they are referring. So they were asking, sir, do you have intercompleted students to join? TNEB. We said we don't have, because the exams have not happened. We cannot supply. Like that, from various other companies. Let it be from Ford Motor Services. They have closed operations in India, but other countries' operations are going on from India. I mean, financial process, or the financial process is being handled from India. There are good demands from that company. Apart from that, private management consultants, manufacturing companies, even from Wheels India Limited, I had a mail requiring intermediate qualified people for training from Port Trust of India. Okay, we had a requirement for industry. I mean, there is people to get the training, and of course for jobs and other things. We are not able to give the candidates because no candidate is available. Already they are employed already. So there is a huge employment market available even for intermediate qualified student. So only thing is, okay, don't have a negative things about. See, some people keep on talking. Okay, some people say that don't get carried away by memes. Okay, they talk bad about online classes. They talk bad about online thing. You know, see, go and see in the market for a software engineer. Many people were telling software people are doing delivery jobs. If you don't prepare, you will do only delivery jobs. Even an ICWA, you will, if you are not preparing, then you will not become a cost accountant. Just going to college and not learning, will not get them jobs. But my own cousin brother, okay, who was employed for a salary of 10 lakhs, having a 5 years experience with BE, now he is moved to 30 lakhs per annum job, 3 times, that is 2 times, 3 times jump in the salary. Okay, but look at, if you would have looked at the memes, okay, if you do BE computer science, there is no job, or if you do this, that, there is no job, online learning, there is no thing, memes just for laugh, but not to practice. Okay, so these small lockdowns, these small things, should not stop us. Simple. So many things we learn from YouTube videos, from various other things. We Google and learn. Okay, when it comes to the subject, you can easily learn. It is only the mind block. Even I was having the mind block. This is my student. This camera is my student. I was not able to take it when we had to start online classes. But okay, yes, this is a new mode or new method or new way of doing the things. Okay, we have to live with COVID. That is going to be the future. Okay, that's what the entire world says. So please be ready to change and accept the change in your mind. I was telling in the first class, if 100 students join, 80 students prepare from day one. Okay, about 60 students stop in 1 month. 30 students prepare in the last month. In that, 25 students pass the exam. Okay, that's why ICMA results are 25%, or CA results are 25%. Even in physical classes, it happens. Online classes, it happens. Learner will learn. Because you want a better career, or you want just XY jobs. You decide. Okay, for a better career, it's like daily spending 4 to 5 hours of time in learning, See, that is very good. And please remember, those who are going for a job, they know the value of money. When they pay the fees, they ensure that. I had seen last batch student. Do you remember, sir? A person named Bhaskar, I remember. Okay, he used to come every day. Night shift he used to attend, and morning, whenever live sessions are kept, he used to come for doubts. But for the student who's doing full time, and for the student, okay, don't take me wrong. When you use your parents' money, sometimes we are tend to be lethargic because it's not our money. Okay, we don't feel the worth for it. Okay, don't waste your parents' money, because when you waste 1 rupee, you will repent for 1 crore in the future. Okay, don't waste time at the young age. Okay, if you waste time at the young age, again, at the future, then you have to struggle a lot. Job will be interesting. So, I mean, only when the job is interesting, at home life will be interesting. I was telling to various people, certain jobs are monotonous. I'm not degrading this job, or I'm not telling bad about this job, but I really salute the person who's sitting in the counter and counting the cash in the bank. Remember, daily 1,000 customers deposit money, not 1,000 customers, 100 customers. You have to keep on counting. How long you will do? Not even 1 rupee can take it to your pocket. Okay, people who are attending to telecalls. Okay, I really salute them because it is so monotonous, but still they do it. Okay, but when you complete your CMA, every problem will be new. Every day you will feel a challenging environment to work with. Every day you will find the job is interesting, and you will find the life will be beautiful and good. Okay, because see, Astaf sir is the best example for that. He works like anything. I mean, I take inspiration from Astaf sir. Right from morning 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock classes, thereafter practice, thereafter doubt sessions and other things. Taking classes in Chennai, of course, mentoring the students, and of course in Kerala doing the operations, that is taking classes, and of course he's having cost audit branches in Chennai, and of course in Kerala managing the corporate claims. He works for about 19 hours a day, but not even one day I found him tired. Not even one day I found him tired, because the job is interesting for him, because the job is liked by him. Every day he faces a new job, new challenge, that makes him to live his life fantastic. Okay, so that is what. So if your job is interesting, you will come with a smile at home. Your parents or your spouse or your children will be happy. So for that, this particular thing, you should take it and you have to do it. Okay, so don't think that, sir, it is online class, it is boring, or it's we are comfortable only with physical mode. And many people will demotivate also. Whether Ambani is a, for example, cost accountant, or Ratan Tata is a cost accountant, no, they have done their business sincerely. Okay, they have grown up. Our business is doing CMA. Let us do this sincerely. Remember, ex ICICI CEO, a director, was a costing student, was a CMA. Okay, it's because of her learning, because of her attitude and work and interest and passion that elevated her. Close the bad things that is coming to your eyes about your course, about your study, or about your future. Okay, see, this is not a new one. When you are trying new things, when you are trying to work out new things, people will comment badly, but once you achieve it, they will praise you, they will follow you. That's what I would say. See, there was a student who's not mentally sound. She had about 24 fractures in the bone. Okay, because of the calcium deficiency. She could clear CA. Okay, if she can, why can't we? Why can't we? It is only the mind sometimes that gets handicapped, and not the physic. Number one, simple. I told in the first class itself, take me as a bad example. I was from Tamil medium. Okay, I've done my plus two in a government school, but no regrets for that. I enjoyed it. Okay, I done my BCom in Tamil medium. Then when I switched over to MCom and of course CMA US, I understood anything can be achieved through a smart work and a hard work. Okay, you just take it this word. If this man can do CMA US, you can easily pass it. Only thing is that smart learning is what is required from your end. Please do that. What is smart learning? Please go according to this particular schedule that is given. That is most important. Okay, then come for live sessions. We do not want donations. Okay, let me very frank to you. You pay the fees, not listen to the class, money is wasted. Okay, so we do not want donations. We want you to come to the live sessions, participate in test. You have to give more drill for us. Okay, you should not just like that leave us. You want, see, when we pay 100 rupees and sit for a movie for 3 hours, we want the movie to be good. But you have invested huge money. I say it's not a fees, it's an investment. It's a investment. You made a huge money investment, okay, and time. You should make more from us. That is what is required. So please learn on time. Now I open for your doubts. I will clarify your doubts, or Astaf sir will clarify your doubts. Sorry if I am harsh in my words or strong in my words. Yes, sometimes that strong words are required. Even a sculpture, how many times it is hit with a hammer, okay, to make a beautiful sculpture, okay. So don't take this hard, but take this in a right spirit. Please start preparing. Yes, of course, you will do it for one day. Like after watching Hollywood movie, I do exercise, like six pack, etc. I want to develop. After 2 or 3 days, it will go down. It should not go down. It should stay till you complete the course and start with a brighter and better career. Now, I request students to unmute. I'll just go for allowing unmute option. I request you to unmute and you can ask doubts or clarifications based on that. I hope you can unmute yourself.